If you're watching this video right now, then you're probably wondering how much YouTube actually pays for every 1,000 views a video gets. Well, the truth is that there is no fixed amount that YouTube actually pays for every 1,000 views you get, as the amount of money you get paid for the views you get totally depends on how much the advertisers are willing to pay and the niche you find yourself and the length of your videos. So for that reason, I'm going to use my own personal channel, which is this channel you are watching, and my second channel to actually show you a typical example of what you actually stand to make for every 1,000 views you get on YouTube. But before we get into the main video, kindly help me do the YouTube business by smashing on that subscribe button. Also like this video so that YouTube will get to recommend it to more people. So with that already said, let's get into the first section of this video. Let's consider some things that actually decide how much you make on YouTube, and also show you a typical example using my own channel revenue. So let's get straight into today's video. Before I actually get on my laptop to show you how much I actually earn for every 1,000 views I get here on YouTube, first of all, let's discuss some things that actually help increase YouTube earnings and also know how much YouTube actually pays on average. So on average, according to multiple research, YouTube pays between $1 to $20 per every 1,000 views a video gets, depending on the topic. Yes, you heard me right. On average, YouTube pays between $1 and $20 for every 1,000 views that a video gets. Now, this range of $1 to $20 that YouTube pays for 1,000 views totally varies depending on a lot of factors, such as the first one is the niche you find yourself. There are some niches whereby no matter what you do, you won't get up to that $10 margin, not to talk of the $20 margin. Meanwhile, there are some niches whereby the $20 margin, the $10, $15, $5 margin for 1,000 view is very much easy for them. And this sort of niches are the tech niche, whereby you talk about gadget reviews, phone reviews, microphones, or any other sort of gadget at all, where you review tech related stuffs. These channels get a lot of views simply because these big tech industries pays a lot to run YouTube ad. Like if you are someone who search about tech a lot, you probably see almost Apple ads everywhere, ads from social media companies, ads from different mobile devices and then mobile applications running up and down when you're watching tech channels. Then those people actually pays a lot. That's why those channels have higher RPM, which is higher revenue per every 1,000 views as compared to other niches. Now, the second niche that actually makes a lot of money, simply any niche that has to do with make money. Now, the simple reason for this is that a lot of affiliates are there who are promoting their courses. A lot of mentors are there who are also promoting their make money approaches and things. Also pays really hugely for YouTube to actually help them run these ads, and other financial companies that actually talk about finance related stuff often run their ads on this sort of channels, and those also give them an edge over other channels that help them to make money a lot. And those channels make money online videos often range between $3, $15, $3, $15 range. Having gotten up to $20 by $3, $15 range is often very popular within the make money online niche. And other great niches is the travel niche, the insurance niche, and other ones. And the lowest paying niche are the entertainment in general. And when I say entertainment in general, I mean football, news, celebrity talks, all those prank videos. They pay less when it comes to YouTube, and they may pay less, but that doesn't mean that people who run those channels don't make a good amount of money. Honestly speaking, I see them to even make more decent amount of money than a lot of tutorial and tech channels. And the reason is simple: they generate a lot of views. So now, one thing I advise you to do is that don't let the idea of this niche makes more money let you change your idea of the niche that you wanted to get started with. If you wanted to get started with YouTube and you think you are more better off in the entertainment aspect of it, then focus on those entertainment aspects. The reason is that with the entertainment niche, you will generate a lot of views within a short period of time. This will actually help you make more money very faster, because entertainment generates a lot of views as compared to my marketing channel, entertainment, and then tutorial channels. So despite tutorial channels and the rest having high RPM, which is revenue per every 1,000 views, entertainment channel have low one, but due to the fact that they generate a lot of views, they get to make more money. Another secret to actually help you increase your YouTube revenue is by creating longer videos. What I mean by longer videos is that videos above 8 minutes. Now, the benefit of this is that you get to put a lot of manual ads in between your videos. So in case you don't know how to set manual ads, you can let me know down in the comment section. I'm going to do a video on that. So you get to put a lot of ads in between your videos. And if your videos are really engaging and people are actually watching it up to the very end, you are going to make more money, because a lot of ads will be shown to the people who actually watch your videos, and this will help you make more money from the system if your videos are also long. And that's one secret why you see a lot of channels create videos like my channel. Most of our videos are often above 8 minutes. This is to actually help us because we don't get much views, so we want to make sure that we are getting a little benefit from the short views we are getting by actually making the videos more longer and also making it more educating. So now that you've known things that can actually affect your YouTube earning and how you can also improve it, now let's switch on to the laptop. Let me show you how much I personally earn for every 1,000 views I get on YouTube. So hello guys, now we have my laptop and I'm going to show you some revenue from different videos that I have on two of my different channels. So as you already know, I have two channels, one being Perez Trade and the other one being Perez Tech. Now here are some videos over here. Now let's take a look at this particular video here that I uploaded. So here is it for the past 28 days. So every video I'm showing you for the past 28 days, the number of views they've gotten and how much they've made. So for the past 28 days, this particular video has gotten 1,400 views, and this 1,400 views paid me $4.11. So now if you want to calculate this simply tells you that what, for every 1,000 view I get paid around $2 and above for every 1,000 view, because from here we have 1,400, meaning my 1,000 views for this particular video is over 200. I mean, it's over $2 and some few cents, even though it's YouTube no longer shows it as they used to show before again. And I uploaded this video less than 28 days to be precise. Yeah, this video is currently less than 28 days or within 28 days period. So in total, you can see the channel, this video has gotten 2,100 views. 2,100 views was equivalent to $5.56. So now let's just say it was 2,000 views, meaning for every single 1,000 view I get paid around $2.30 for 1,000 view on this particular video. Now this for this video. Now let's take a look at another video. And all these videos I'm showing you for this particular one, they are from the same channel, but then talking about the same thing but with different revenue, to tell you that YouTube doesn't have any fixed amount. Now let's take a look at this particular video here. This was 1,100 views, and then revenue is actually $2.35. Now if I should come to this particular video and I say since uploaded, for this particular video alone, you will see how many views the video have gotten and how much it has made over time. Because one thing with the YouTube revenue is that the revenue is not fixed. So now take a look at this particular video, 20,002 views. So 20,200 views actually gave me $11.60. But it's of late that this video started to pick up. If I should go to the previous 90 days, you realize that that's when the video started to pick up. So the thing I'm trying to tell you here is that there's no fixed amount of money that YouTube actually pays for any video. So take a look at it. Views 3,400. You can see that it's recently that this video started to peak, because out of 20 something thousand views, only 3,400 is making me about $8. To tell you that what, the videos that you upload today will also make you more money later on. Like, they are not just going to give you that, okay, every 1,000 views this video gets, we are going to give you $1 or $5. No, the revenue changes from season to season because more advertisers are coming in from season to season. So let's take a look at it. You can see how the video views was dropping gradually, and if you come over to the revenue chart as well, you can see it up, came down, went up. You can see it's not fixed. So the ad revenue for the video actually moves like this until, well, as long as the video is there. So there's no fixed amount of money that YouTube is going to pay you. So someone might tell you that it might be $2 or $3. The honest truth is that it's not fixed. The revenue fluctuates around. So now here's another video again. This video has 984 views for the past 28 days. This one, all these videos I'm showing you are from the same channel. 984 views for the past 28 days and has made, let me just say, $6. So you can see less than 1,000 views on this particular video made me almost $6 from it. You can see that if this video should get 1,000 views right now, this video alone should be making $7 for 1,000 views. So this to tell you that what, and on this particular channel I upload a minimum of 3 videos, 2 to 3 videos a week. That's uploading about 8 videos or more in a week. So now imagine the revenue from those ones, and sometimes I do overdo and then upload more. Now let's take a look at the overall of this particular video. So now this is the new channel I started that I've been telling you a lot of you about. I will show you later on. So now let me just wait for it to finish loading up. So now here you can see the channel is the Perez Trade channel. So now In overall, this video has gotten 16,700 views, and for this 16,700 views, this video has made approximately $31. So now you can do the mathematics yourself and see. You can see how much this video has made for every 1,000 views. To tell you that the price is not fixed. Now let me go to the previous 90 days. You see that it's recently that the price, you can see for the past 90 days, 3,200 views gave me $18. That is to tell you that what approximately for every 1,000 views this video is getting, this video is making me up to $6 for every 1,000 views. So now, no matter the niche you find yourself, no matter which topic you are talking, the revenue is never fixed. The revenue will keep going up and down. Now take a look at this channel. This particular video, 12,000 views, gave me how much? Just $5.33 for 12,000 views. Just imagine that. Out of 12,000 views, I'm getting just $5.33. Meanwhile, there are other videos I have that are 12,000 views will actually make me way more than this. So when it comes over, I'll tell you that the revenue is not fixed and it fluctuates around. Now here's this channel you are particularly watching the video known as the Perez Tech YouTube channel. Now let's take a look at this video. This is one of my most popular video on this channel, which says how to make reaction videos. You can see for the past 28 days, this video has gotten 3,700 views, and then it has made $11.56 for the past 28 days. And this to tell you that according to the stat here, they say compared to the previous 28 days is 14% less, meaning it made 14% extra on usual basis. But then for recently the revenue is down for it. So now let's take a look at it. 3,700 subscribers making views making me this. That's approximately let me say I'm making about $3 to $4 for let me just say around $3 for every 1,000 views. Now let me come over to the lifetime of this whole video when this video was uploaded, because this video is below a year. You can see in general this video alone is less than a year. Actually, it has made 34,100 views, and this one gave me 2,000 watch hours and 583 subscribers from one video alone. And this video made me approximately $98 since it was uploaded. And you can see this video is getting a lot of views from the YouTube search directly. Now let's take a look at another video again. Here's another video which says about how to edit football highlights. Now you can see for the past 28 days, this video has gotten 2,700 views, and this 2,700 views made me $5. This is to tell you that for every 1,000 views I'm getting here, this one is probably earning me around let me just say no, it's not up to $3. This one will pretty much be around $1.80 something cents. But now if I should come over to lifetime, you see that since uploaded, you can see this video has gotten over 20,000 views. Out of that 20,000 views, it made just $31. So that's to tell you that it's between $1 something cent, 80 cent range for it. So now what I'm trying to tell you by showing you all of this is that there's literally no fixed revenue on this YouTube platform. The revenue fluctuates and then it changes over and over again. So you might upload video today and then make a decent amount of money off the video, but later on the revenue might drop off and then it might not be any like before again. But then there are some old videos that you are going to upload that will keep making you more money, even more than the new videos you upload. So one thing I'll tell you is that don't let the revenue you are seeing from the beginning of the video actually deprive you. Just keep uploading your video, and then you can see, take a look at this particular video. You can see the revenue dropped, started picking up, and then it shoots upward, came down, started crawling, shoot upward for this particular video alone. You see. So now the thing I'm trying to tell you here is that just keep uploading your videos, and then you are going to get what you are looking for. Take a look at this video alone, has given me almost 600 subscribers. So everything I'm showing here is that there's no fixed amount of money YouTube is going to pay you, regardless of your topic, your niche, your video length, or anything. There's no fixed amount of money that YouTube is going to pay you for it. The only thing that will determine is that there will be some decent range that you're actually going to make. And if you take a look at all the videos that I shared with you, they made nothing less than $1 for every 1,000 views. That is to tell you that what on average 1,000 views should be any within anything $1 and above, regardless of the niche you find yourself. So the more views you get, the more money you're actually going to make. Like for this particular video, if it was an entertainment channel before, most of these my videos would have crossed over 100,000 views in general. And then just imagine if this video now get times 5 of the current views that you have, and then the revenue also times 5. You see the big difference here. That's why I always tell you that don't let the RPM of some topics
some niche made you change your idea of the topic you want to talk about, stick to that particular topic you want to talk about, and then focus on it. Because if it's in the entertainment feed, the RPM might be low based on what people talk on the internet, but the reality of it is that you are going to make a decent amount of money because it's going to generate a lot of views. And if you realize, all the videos that I showed you right now is the previous 28 days that they started picking up decent amount of views. And you see that when their views started skyrocketing, their revenue also started skyrocketing as well. So that is simply all I have for you in this video. Simply, there is no fixed amount of money that YouTube is going to pay you, but just simply stick to what you are doing, keep uploading your videos, and you don't know which of them is actually going to change the revenue status of your channel. So with that already said, have a nice day. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. With that already said, have a nice day. Bye.